Here the question is the potential at a point 9 centimeter away from the charge of having magnitude 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb is. Okay, so here we need to calculate the potential, and there is given in the question. So we write here the structure of question. What given quantity is in the question. So we write here the given. Okay, first is, so we write we call distance denoted by r is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so here remember one thing, when we solve the problem in the physics, all the physical quantity should be in SI unit. So we convert the length centimeter to meter. So the multiplying factor for converting the centimeter to meter is 10 to the power minus 2. So it becomes in meters. Okay. Now the second quantity given in the question is charge. So we write here the charge and denoted by capital Q and denoted by capital Q, okay, which is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Okay, and next thing we need to calculate, we also write what we should to calculate here. So potential we denote it by V and question mark. That means we need to calculate the potential. Now this is the structure of question. The quantities are given in the question and what we have to calculate. Okay, now we see what is the potential formula for the potential. So the potential is equal to work done upon charge. This is the basic formula for the potential. Now we understand what is the meaning of work done per unit charge. Okay, so consider this is the charge of having magnitude capital Q and the field is around it. And the field is around it. And one charge of having magnitude small q placed at infinity. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are bringing this charge near to this charge at a particular point of distance of having distance r. Okay, what we are doing here, we are bringing the charge small q from infinity to that particular point. We require the work done. So that work done per unit charge is known as potential. This is the basic definition of potential, and this is the physical meaning. What is the meaning of potential? Okay, so in this way we see the basic definition and what its meaning. Okay, now we see the formula which is given by the coulombs. If there is a two charges, then the force between these two charges is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This one charge capital Q, another charge small q, and the separation between them is r. So the force between two charges is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into q upon r square, where epsilon naught is a permittivity constant of free space. Where epsilon naught is a permittivity constant. Okay, of having value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Okay, so this is the basic formula for the force between two charges. Now we see here what is the potential work done per unit charge. So potential is equal to work done becomes force into distance and per unit charge upon Q. So here the force into distance is a work done, okay, and per unit charge. So the our formula becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q upon R. So our potential formula for the potential becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Now we have the value of Q, we have the value of R, we can put this value, we can get the potential, okay. So 1 upon 4 into pi value is 22/7, okay, into epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, okay, into Q is given in the question 4 into 10 to the power minus 7, okay, and the distance is also given 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, okay. If we solve these quantity, we got 9 into 10 to the power 9, okay, into 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. If we simplify this quantity, this we got 4 into 10 to the power 4. So this is the potential, so the unit is volt, okay. So this is our final answer. If we match our answer with the given option in the question, so the option 1 is matching with our answer, so option 1 is the correct one for this question, okay. Thank you.